Hello, my dear viewer. Today, after 31 months of continuous posting of 2 videos per week, I would have to say, let's stop. I don't know how big of the break is gonna be. Is it gonna be a farewell or is it gonna be a goodbye? But I think it's the time for the channel to get a new vibe. It wouldn't be possible to continue doing videos for 31 months straight without having your support and having you by my side telling me, Nikolai, let's go. Nikolai, that video was great. Oh, I didn't know about this, but when you said, I started doing it and it worked. Good feedback, bad feedback, constructive feedback. It all helped me to go there and tell you and show you things that there really are. Web3 Sales Gym has been an amazing project. I'll keep the channel be as is. There is a ton of information on the channel. If you are starting out, if you are a seasoned professional, if you know stuff, if you don't know stuff, going on the channel, you can go and become a truly great salesperson. I haven't given the biggest secrets that I know, just simply for the complexity of those ideas. But even if you go there on the channel and you apply half of the things that I've said, you're gonna be very well set off in sales, in life. It doesn't matter, in Web3 or outside of Web3. Those were the things that I was learning along the way together with you. I was sharing them together with you. I was getting information, and then I was trying to be your source of explanation, of showing you how things work, of showing you what worked for me. And over the last couple of years of closing a couple of $1 million in revenue, I think I learned something about it. Now, if I'm here, I'm still staying here. I mean, you can message me, you can tell me something, you can ask me things. Community is gonna be there where it is right now. I'll try to add everybody that I didn't add in the past couple of months because things have been really hectic. What else? It has been an amazing journey, guys. I don't know how things will go. Definitely can tell you that I like making videos, so I will be making videos sooner or later about things. I don't know if it's going to be about Web3, is it going to be about sales, or maybe it's going to be a completely something different. What I learned is the main thing that for me was lacking in the Web3 Sales Gym in the last couple of months was passion. When I was remembering first couple of months and first year when I was doing the Web3 Sales Gym, I was really passionate. I was really growing the community and the channel. Right now it became more something of, okay, I need to do videos, okay, great, what's going to be helpful, and I treat you very well. I don't want you to be consuming mediocre content. I don't want you to be a product of not the best content in the world. I don't want you to consume that. I'll use this time, this break that I have, in order to rethink what am I doing wrong, what I was doing right, and then start doing something else. In terms of posting videos, in terms of generating audience, in terms of talking to you, I can tell you that it has been an amazing journey, and still the journey continues. Right now we make a stop on one of the projects, but we continue going the same direction. If you ever need to message me, my contact is going to be below. There is a lot of different playlists on the YouTube, so I hope that this channel is going to live. If you see this video and you write me comments and you see that I'm not replying, that's fine. If there is something important, just message me in Telegram so I can look at it in a timely manner. I'll be looking for the comments here and there, of course. At the end of the day, you guys and girls, because in the beginning I thought there is not a lot of girls that were watching the channel. I had statistics that 98% of my viewers were male. Now things changed. There's been a lot of girls coming into Web3, and I hope that this channel was also helpful for you, because I'm always referring to guys, but when I'm referring to guys, I'm also always thinking about you girls, because there is finally a movement. There is a lot of women coming in Web3, and it's a very good and positive and healthy sign, because then we can be harmonized. Because when it's like all males, it's a little tough. Without further ado, I hope that you have your amazing days. I hope that for the people that stayed with me for this whole 31 months, I'm really grateful for everything that you have done for me, and I want to shake each one of your hands the moment when we see each other in person, because it has been a long journey. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.